Samsung has once again made waves in the tech world with announcements that are turning heads everywhere. If you're a fan of groundbreaking technology, what's coming next from Samsung is sure to catch your attention. With the Galaxy S25 series and other cutting-edge innovations on the horizon, the company is setting the stage for a thrilling 2025. And if you want access to exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, and more, consider joining our membership. The link is in the description. One of the standout reveals is Samsung's answer to immersive technology, the Galaxy Extended Reality headset. This is no ordinary gadget. Developed in partnership with Google, the device integrates Android Extended Reality with artificial intelligence for a truly interactive experience. Early testers are already describing it as a game changer, with its advanced Gemini artificial intelligence offering real-time assistance for countless tasks. From providing suggestions to reacting instantly to your environment, the headset opens up new possibilities for users. Its design is lightweight and comfortable, with motion sensors and cameras enabling intuitive gesture controls. Expect even more details about this innovative headset at the upcoming Galaxy S25 Unpacked event. Samsung is also stepping up its game in smartphone innovation. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to be a bold leap forward, featuring Samsung's second-generation artificial intelligence technology. One highlight could be an enhanced virtual assistant, potentially delivering a smarter, more personalized experience for users. Rumors also suggest that Samsung plans to integrate magnetic cases, a move that could align with new charging technologies and accessories like power banks and wallets. These developments signal a strong commitment to creating a seamless ecosystem around the Galaxy S25 series. Interestingly, Samsung has shown it's serious about protecting its work. Recently, the company identified and addressed a significant leak involving the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This swift action underlines their dedication to keeping their innovations secure. Their confidence in the Galaxy S25 series is evident, with a sales target of 37 million units, surpassing their previous goals. This ambitious figure reflects Samsung's belief in the series' potential to make a significant impact in the smartphone market. For those watching their budget, there's some good news on pricing. While it hasn't been confirmed, reports suggest that Samsung may keep prices for the Galaxy S25 series in Europe consistent with the Galaxy S24 lineup. If this holds true across other regions, it would be a welcome relief for customers in a time when price increases have become the norm. Offering cutting-edge technology without increasing costs would position Samsung as a consumer-friendly leader in the market. Aesthetic appeal is another area where the Galaxy S25 Ultra could shine. A rumored titanium white-silver variant is already generating buzz. With a sleek silver frame and a white back, this model promises to be one of Samsung's most elegant designs yet. Beyond looks, the device is expected to deliver impressive performance with 16 gigabytes of random access memory for the 512 gigabyte model. The inclusion of Universal Flash Storage 4.1 will make everything from file transfers to app installations faster and smoother. Samsung's innovations aren't just about pushing boundaries. They're about delivering value to customers. By combining cutting-edge features, thoughtful design, and competitive pricing, the company is clearly focused on staying ahead of the competition. Whether it's the revolutionary Galaxy Extended Reality headset or the high-performance Galaxy S25 series, Samsung's vision for 2025 is bold and exciting. It's a testament to their ongoing commitment to shaping the future of technology. We're curious to hear what you think about these announcements. Are you as excited as we are about Samsung's direction? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all the latest tech news. For those who want even more exclusive content and insights, consider joining our membership. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.